Well guys, we've finally been able to put the finishing touches on our upstairs bathroom renovation now that the quarantine shutdown has lifted, and today I want to take you on a tour and show you how it turned out. Hello everyone and welcome back to our farm.
We are Jordan and Kaisa Blaylock. For years we had been dreaming of having our own farm.
And then one day we bought this old farmhouse today.
It's full of stuff.
We happened upon this gorgeous 1920 craftsman style farmhouse on 12.5 acres. And we bought it, as is, full of stuff and in need of lots of love. So we packed up our kids, we sold our house, and we moved out to one of the barns in a little vintage travel trailer.
While we restore, renovate, and add on to this beautiful old home.
When we left off with the upstairs bathroom renovation, we were in the midst of the quarantine shutdown, which meant that while the walls were painted and the bathtub was installed and the vanity was in, it was just very sparsely decorated in here. So now that the shutdown has lifted and we've been able to go out and find some things, we have put the finishing touches on the bathroom. And today I want to take you on a tour and show you how it turned out. What'd you get?
Light fixtures. Bathroom. Library. Woo!
Okay, you guys, today is the day I'm going to refinish these mirrors to match. Down the road the other day on our way home and we saw these in a free pile.
So we made a shelf bracket for our towels.
And so this is our bathroom and that's where our towels will go, up there. And then we'll have little hooks down here where we can hang the towels that we're currently using. What do you guys think? We found the baskets secondhand and we filled them with towels and extra toilet paper. The hooks are old metal garage sale finds, and then the towels are new from Target. They're Hearth and Hand by Joanna Gaines. Okay, so if you guys remember, this was in the medicine cabinet when we bought the farm. And I just think that they give a little bit of character to this space, and it's fun to remember what the bathroom used to look like.
What do you think of how the bathroom turned out? Please comment below and let me know. I would love to hear from you. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post updates about our farmhouse every week. We also share updates about what's going on around the farm and my thrift store hauls. So I'll see you next time.
What are you doing?
Washing the bath.
Are you ready to get your nails done?